Hey, hi there, everybody. It's me again, Jean, and I'm your digital marketing expert. So today, nakikita nyo naman, nandito ako sa ating computer right in front of me because gusto kong ipakita sa inyo yung mga website na na-develop ko for the past few months, for the past few years. So, like what I said, I usually work with clients abroad and I work with clients here in the Philippines pero bilang lang siya. So, papakita ko sa inyo ilan sa mga websites na na-develop ko for property advisors and real estate brokers. So, first of all, I'd like to introduce myself first. I'm Chinwell Agustin from Isabela, and I do help business owners to build, optimize, and maintain their website. So, I usually work with clients abroad, and right now, my mission is to empower all business owners here in the Philippines to build their websites and to be discoverable online and to be visible online. So I will walk you through some of my website projects that I built. So first of all is this property advisors website, and this is from Australia. Second is this one, Kasal Advisory. Meron namang mga link dito. Share ko din yung link para ma-visit nyo din. So, next is Oak Heaven Property Management website also. And Genesis Well. Currently, I'm logging on the website kasi minamanage ko siya. Meron mga edits na need gawin. So, dito lahat, services, case studies, dito lahat ng need ilagay natin sa mga websites natin. And like what I said, few lang yung client ko here in the Philippines. So, first na naging client ko na real estate broker is si Sir Ivan from Mega World. Shout out sa iyo, sir, if you're watching this video. Thank you so much kasi binigyan mo ko ng chance na i-build yung website mo. And also, uh, Property Talk PH. No, this is down pala, so I can show at the moment. So, here, for example, this kind of website, andito na lahat ng listings na binibenta ni Sir Ivan. Bedroom unit layout, exterior and amenity, lahat ng binibenta niya andito. And of course, as a real estate broker, andito yung about you. Grabe si Sir Ivan, top broker manager siya. And get in touch, contact Sir Ivan, contact us. May contact us page tayo dito wherein magbubook yung mga clients mo, mag-sign up sila ng form, then connected din yung Facebook, lahat ng social media platforms natin here, lahat ng contact informations, properties, for example, check tayo ng isang properties. Uptown Modern. So, usually dito sa Pilipinas, ang ginagawa natin, lalo na pag nag-ads tayo ng properties, di ba? Iniisa-isa pa natin about the property, kasi kailangan nating i-show muna yung mga kailangan ng clients natin bago sila, minsan ganun, bago sila mag-book ng meetings. Di ba minsan ganun? Diba? I'm not sure kung paano yung ginagawa nyo. But, based sa nakikita ko, ganun eh. So, andito na lahat ng need natin. Amenities, interior amenities, galleries. Andiyan na lahat. Floor plans. Ang gagawin na lang nila sa website mo after nila mabasa to, hindi mo na kailangang isa-isahin yung mga clients mo, yung mga potential clients mo na sabihin mo, ganito, ito yung mga recommended units, ito yung floor plans, and mga pak, send. So, ito, kapag meron kang website, for example, yung isang listing or yung isang property na binibenta mo, andito na lahat ng information na need ng client mo at no need na isa-isahin mo pang i-send sa iba't ibang clients. Send mo na lang tong mismong URL niya, then bahala na sila. Then, kung interesado naman yung client mo, magbo-book at magbo-book sila eh. Lalo na, for example, sa Facebook, di ba nag-a-ads tayo? Minsan mali din yung ginagawa natin sa Facebook eh. Hindi, huwag tayong gumawa ng boosting post, wag niyong gawin yun. Ang gawin niyo is talagang yung ginagawa ng mga big, advertising companies, not boosting posts. If you're doing boosting posts, please stop it. That isa din 'yan sa gusto kong sabihin, and gusto ko ring matutunan ng mga agents natin na if you're doing boosting posts, please stop it. Nagsusunog ka ng pera at hindi mo tina-target yung mga dapat i-target mong customers. I'm not saying na hindi natin kapag may website tayo, hindi natin kailangan ng advertisement, kailangan din natin 'yon. What I'm saying is that kapag meron tayong website, hindi na mahihirapan yung mga customers mo to see or to browse that listing. At kapag sa Facebook ads kasi, usually messaging campaign, 'di ba? So, may message, ganito, ganyan. Automatic chatbot din siya, but what I'm saying is that kailangan natin ng isang website na andito na lahat ng kailangan ng clients mo at potential clients mo, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas kundi around the world. Kasi once na for example, magre-research ako sa Google, hindi ako taga dito sa Pilipinas, kasi usually yung mga taga ibang bansa, na gustong mag-move in dito sa Pilipinas, nagse-search sila dito sa Google. Hindi sila nagse-search sa Facebook, usually hindi rin sila nagse-search sa Instagram kasi hindi naman lahat ng nasa abroad is gumagamit ng Facebook, hindi din lahat ng nasa abroad is gumagamit ng Instagram. They usually search in Google. That's why kapag nasa ibang bansa sila, for example, itong Oak Heaven website na ginawan ko. Bago sila promote ng business nila online, ginawan ko muna sila ng website. Although established na yung business nila, pero I'm not sure if meron silang Facebook. Wala pa silang Facebook, wala pa silang Instagram. Let's see. Let's find it in Facebook. Ang alam ko wala pa silang Facebook eh. Oak Heaven, Australia. Heaven, Australia. So, wala silang Facebook. Or, kagaya nga ng sabi ko, kahit may Facebook page ka, tapos sinearch mo, hindi magpapakita basta-basta yung Facebook page mo. Hindi mo yun mahahanap basta-basta. So, like what I'm saying, hindi lahat ng gusto mag-move in dito sa Pilipinas at gustong bumili ng properties online is nagse-search sila from Facebook and Instagram. So, if hindi ka visible sa Google, visible sa Google, is that you are missing a lot of opportunities na pwedeng yung customers mo, potential customers mo na hindi nakakita ng Facebook ads mo is nakita ka nila dito sa Google. So, for example, Sir Ivan. So, try nating i-search Mega World and Ivan. So, ayan siya. Nakikita natin siya sa Google. Andito yung contact info, contact us page. Ayan, searchable siya. And kapag may client siya, tapos sinearch siya sa Google, ayun, nakikita siya sa Google. So, it means legit. And makakakuha ka din ng trust sa client mo. So, because website will build trust also. So, if you are a real estate broker, a property advisor, it's a must that you have your own website. Not only for building trust, not only for building credibility, but we make sure if you have a website, we make sure that you are discoverable and visible online. Not only on Facebook, not only in Instagram, but also in Google like Sir Ivan. So if you need help to build your online presence, like my clients, so just let me know and message me and we will set up a meeting. Thanks.